Bullish Kusama cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $114.60 and $249.57 by 2030. Market examiners accept KSM could reach $114.60 by 2025. Bearish Kusama market cost expectation for 2022 is $20.37. Kusama presentation. Polkadot's rendition representing things to come. Kusama is a canary organization for Polkadot. Kusama is a testnet that permits designers to explore different avenues regarding new highlights and changes prior to carrying out on Polkadot. Kusama will have every one of similar updates as Polkadot, just sooner. This incorporates alterations or increases to the codebase, conventions, and administration systems. Kusama is based on Substrate, a blockchain building unit created by Equality Innovations. Since Kusama has practically the equivalent codebase as Polkadot, it will actually want to encounter any issues that could emerge from new updates before Polkadot does. Along these lines, any potential defects can be recognized and fixed before they cause significant disturbances on Polkadot. Furthermore, in light of the fact that Kusama is administered by similar gathering who govern Polkadot, any redesigns made to Kusama will probably turn out to be made on Polkadot too sooner or later, making it the ideal spot to try out state-of-the-art includes that could ultimately wind up becoming standard. What is Kusama? KSM is the local cryptographic money of the Kusama organization. It is utilized to pay exchange charges and marking prizes and fills in as security for parachains and popularity-based cooperation. Likewise, KSM holders can decide on administration recommendations through an on-chain mandate framework. Kusama is a versatile, interoperable blockchain stage that empowers designers to fabricate applications. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilizations a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. Kusama additionally includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on recommendations and settle on conclusions about the fate of the organization. The Kusama network was sent off in 2019 and is presently in its beginning phases of improvement. The group behind the undertaking is centered around building a powerful biological system of uses and administration. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and security. What makes Kusama remarkable? Kusama is intended for designers who need to send off aggressive tasks with a quick developing speed of improvement. What makes Kusama special is its emphasis on giving engineers the devices they need to succeed. This incorporates elements, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, shrewd agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain connections. What's more, Kusama likewise has serious areas of strength for lovers and designers who are committed to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kusama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan, as opposed to utilizing the evidence of work agreement component, which is energy escalated. Kusama utilizes a selected verification of stake framework. This permits it to be more effective and adaptable than other blockchains. One of the exceptional elements of Kusama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be overhauled without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new elements and updates. Furthermore, Kusama upholds cross-chain message passing, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for designers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different highlights. One more benefit of Kusama is that it is controlled by specs, which are the local money of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as specs have been tried on the mainnet. Also, dApps give clients admittance to Polkadot's elements, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. Generally speaking, Kusama gives a novel open door to designers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different elements in a completely safe climate. Kusama current cost. Kusama is at present worth $25.47 USD. KSM has moved 0.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,449,283. Kusama is at present positioned 112 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $213,539,385 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Kusama to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Kusama market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Kusama Value Expectation 2022. Kusama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The KSM cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $38.20. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. averaging $35.65 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts in headway. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $30.56. Kusama Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Kusama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $63.67. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the KSM's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $50.93 and a typical exchanging cost of $56.03. Kusama Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $89.13 and KSM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $81.49 and a low of $76.40 in 2024. Kusama Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Kusama effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $114.60, with a base cost of $101.87 and a typical cost of $106.96. Kusama Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the KSM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $132.43 by 2026, with a base cost of $127.33 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, KSM has a greatest value worth of $140.07. Kusama Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $157.89. In the event that KSM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $165.53. Neglecting to accumulate the help KSM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $152.80. Kusama Value Expectation 2028. While KSM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $178.27 and a yearly cost close above $191 in 2028. Kusama Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Kusama will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $203.73 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $216.47, averaging out at $208.83.